Okay, so we're going to do this flower in the same set, and I'm just going to use the same colors I used for the lettering. I'm going to start with my Sun-Kissed Yellow, and I'm just going to drop in some yellow. And I'm going to go ahead and drop some in here on this. I might just, it's a smaller flower. Then I'm going to grab my sunflower, and I want to bring my color from the bottom up. Kind of meet them in the middle. The other one I worked from the top down. This one I'm going from the bottom up. I'm going to skip a couple petals here, maybe one or two. And then we'll do the same down here. Have to remind myself to go a little smaller. It's hard for me to do pastels because I work so heavy that I like that bold color. Now I'm picking up my water, and I'm just gonna, from the top, work down. Now I've got that really saturated, so I'm gonna grab my Kleenex here, and I'm just gonna dab some of that water up because it will, by the time it's dry, my image will be very, very faded, which is fine. I could always go back in and add more color to it, but sometimes it's just easier to pick it up. And then I work from the top down. Well, unless you want to pull some of that color up, you can pull it up that way. I definitely like to leave a little of that white area because that's going to give me a little bit more dimension in my image. And if you want, you can color each little area there at a time to get familiar with your pencils. Or you can just drop your color in all at once, whatever. Definitely try different things. Okay, so now I'm just going to walk away and leave that alone. For the leaf, I'm grabbing my citrus leaf green, which is definitely one of my favorite greens. I love it. Just going to drop in some color randomly. Now I'm grabbing my clover meadow, and I'm just kind of following the lines here. Okay, we'll just do something like that. And I'm going to come in with my color. That clovers are really pulling the green, so I might have been wiser to start with my lighter areas. I have a ton of water on there right now. And if you want to pull some out like I just did here, you just, super easy to do, just take your color and pull it right out. You could have done that on your flower as well. Now if you don't have enough and you want to go back and pull some color out, make it look like it just happened, we'll just go around some of these edges here, and we're just gonna pull that color out so it looks like we just naturally watercolored it out there. Okay, and that is all there is to it.